this project. And ever since po nag-start po kami ng training, I've come to love volleyball. And kahit nung natapos na po yung shooting ng series, tinuloy ko po talaga yung paglalaro ko kasi siyempre, gusto ko maging proud sila, coach. Uy. And yung po, ang dami pong beses sa shoot na mahirap po talaga yung papagawa sa amin na skill sa volleyball. For example, yung nag-dive ako tapos tinamaan ako sa mukha. Siguro mga 30 minutes po namin ginawa yun. Kasi natatakot po talaga ako mag-dive. Pero nung nakuha naman po, sobrang ganda po ng kinalabasan. So, thank you so much, syempre kay Direk and kay Coach Rior and kay Coach Rax. Thank you po.
Yun din po. Like, before mag-start yung shoot po, nag-training kami ng ilang days. Mga 10 days. And sobrang galing po talaga ni Coach Rior and Coach Rax. Thank you so much. Pagturo sa amin sa volleyball. Kaya di po kami masyadong nahirapan nung nag-shoot na.
I believe that a big part ng pagmumukhang real show is the acting. It's such an honor to be with veterans like Stu and Miss Beauty, Crystal. My gosh, you guys have to see her scenes. She's really Janata, of course. Very talented production team, and of course Sir Dolph. Oh my God, all of them are veterans. All of them are good at their job. They're gonna keep it jobs. It's an honor to be with them.
Ako naman po, here, my character here, she plays taekwondo. I feel like lahat naman kami dito may kanya-kanyang sport. Ako, I really had to train hard for that scene na kailangan namin kunan because I don't really play taekwondo in real life. Parang nabinat po yung buong pagkatao ko by Coach Angel. Pero, hi Coach, sana you're proud of me. And I'm just incredibly grateful to have worked with all of you guys, with you. Thank you so much for that wonderful and Direk, thank you, salamat po. And yeah, just really grateful to have worked with everyone na super welcoming, super loving, super kind. And sabi ko nga po sa set, it doesn't really feel like work, it just really feels like a playground because we've built a good friendship. So thank you for that. How about you?
So, sa akin naman po, yung character ko dito is, hindi naman ako nag-train sa sport ko kasi nga, I'm a player. Player! Yeah. But, yung expression, facial expression, is yung mga sasabihin ko like, hey, push na, like mga ganon. Yan, nagpaturo lang ako sa mga teammates ko. That's it.
Silent.